Have you ever spent hours searching for your keys, remote, or even your favorite pen? Or maybe you feel overwhelmed because your home feels cluttered and nothing seems to have a proper place. Well, today we're solving that problem once and for all. I'm sharing practical tips to help you find a place for everything in your home and create a clutter-free, peaceful space you'll love. You may wonder, why should everything have its own space? Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you feel calm and organized. But when things don't have a designated spot, clutter quickly builds up, leading to stress, wasted time, and even decision fatigue. The good news is you can turn things around by adopting the place for everything and everything in its place mindset. Let's dive into how to do this. I will be explaining this in 7 steps and you don't want to miss out on number 7. Tell me in the comments, how do you feel when you are looking for something and you can't find it? Yeah. I know that feeling. Let's get into the steps with further AO. Step 1. Assess what you own. Start by taking inventory of what you have. This doesn't have to be overwhelming. Tackle one room, drawer, or section at a time. As you assess, ask yourself, do I really need this? Do I use it often? Does it bring me joy or serve a purpose? Declutter as you go, and only keep what adds value to your life. Remember, the less you own, the easier it is to organize. Step 2. Group similar items together. Once you've decluttered, group similar items together. For example, keep all your cooking utensils in one drawer, your stationery in one container, and your skincare products in one basket. Grouping items helps you see what you have and reduces the chance of buying duplicates. Step 3. Create zones. Now that you've grouped items, it's time to assign them zones. Think about the purpose of each room or space in your home. For instance, the kitchen is for cooking, so store pots, pans, and spices there. Your entryway is where you leave the house, so have a basket for keys, a hook for your bag, and a spot for shoes. Every zone should serve a clear purpose. Step 4. Use containers, bins, and labels. Storage solutions are your best friend when it comes to organizing. Invest in containers, bins, and baskets to keep your items neat. For example, use a clear bin for snacks in your pantry, a basket for blankets in the living room, or drawer dividers for your wardrobe. Don't forget to label everything. It makes finding and returning items so much easier. Step 5. Make it accessible. When assigning places for items, think about accessibility. Frequently used items should be easy to reach, while seasonal or rarely used items can be stored higher up or in the back. For instance, keep your everyday plates at eye level in the kitchen and your holiday decorations in a storage box on a high shelf. Step 6. Involve your family. Organization isn't a one-person job. Involve your family or roommates in the process. Teach them the new system and encourage them to return items to their designated spots. When everyone is on board, maintaining order becomes much easier. Step 7. Maintain the system. Decluttering and organizing aren't one-time tasks. They require maintenance. Set aside a few minutes daily to tidy up, or schedule a weekly reset where you put everything back in its place. Also, remember the one-in, one-out rule. Whenever you bring something new into your home, remove something old. Now, what's the benefits of finding a place for everything? When everything has a place, your home feels calmer, and you save time because you know where to find what you need. You also save money because you're not buying duplicates of items you already own but couldn't locate. Most importantly, you create a space where you can truly relax and enjoy life. So, are you ready to transform your home into a well-organized haven? Start today. Pick one small area, follow these steps, and watch the magic happen. Let me know in the comments which area of your home you're tackling first. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living an organized and clutter-free life. Until next time, keep decluttering and creating space for the things that truly matter.